Good morning, friend. From today we have started new lesson, that is cube and cube root. Cube and cube. Cube means what? If length, breadth and height is equal. If we draw one cube whose length, breadth and height is equal, then we can say it is a cube. Same cube with same length, breadth and height is same, we can say it is a cube. So here it is a cube. So A multiplied by A multiplied by A. Actually length into breadth into height. It is related with the cube. But here length, breadth and height is same. So we can say cube is equal to A cube. If we multiply any number 3 times, we can say it is a cube. So first of all, we have to introduction related it. We have to read this. Okay, what is the topic related it? So here one story. Here one story related with the great Indian mathematician, whose name already have you know, that is Ramanujan. Once another famous mathematician, that is Professor J.H. Hardy, come to visit in a taxi whose number is 1729. You know that Ramanujan is very well known for mathematician. He is a great mathematician. So he know very well the number properly. While talking to Ramanujan, Hardy described this number a dull number. Hardy said that the taxi number in which he came to visit the house, but the number of taxi is 1729. So Ramanujan say that quickly pointed out that 179 was indeed an interesting number. Why it is interesting? He say sum of two cube is into two different way. 179. So he represent 179 as a 12 cube plus 1 cube. So if I multiply 12 3 times and then add plus 1, then 1 into 1, then we can get 1729. Another number, again 1729 different way. 1000 plus 729, 10 cube plus 3 cube. So 1729 on that time from still now, it is famous, known as Hardy-Ramanujan number. It is famous for Hardy-Ramanujan number. So always remember that 1729 is well known for Hardy-Ramanujan number. Even though these features of 1729 was known more than 300 years before Ramanujan. So that is a concept related with the cube. Now we have to go deeply. So remember that 1729 is the smallest Hardy-Ramanujan number. There are many infinite numbers are there which is available in net. Now we want to discuss related with the cube. So here if you will see one cube is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 8 cubes are there. Again here 27, here 1 cube, here 8 cube, here 27 cube. So these are all the perfect cube number, or we can say perfect cube. 1, again 8, 27. So how many numbers at least you have to remember? Up to 1 to 10 cube you have to remember. So there is a one table 1.1, 7.1 here table. That you have to remember anyhow. Table 1 you have to write in homework 2 times or 3 times, anyhow you have to remember this. That is, how many times you have to remember anyhow this? So 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. So we know that 1, what is the meaning of 1 cube? Means 1 into 1 into 1. Again 1 cube. So if I want to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 4 into 4 into 64. 5 cube you have to write 125. 6 cube, so 6 into 6 into 6, I have to write 216. 7 cube, that is 343. So if you don't know, you have to write it. How you are writing? 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. So 6 is 36. 36 into 6 I have to write. That is 216. 7 3 times. So 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 into 7. So you can write 3, 4, 3. 8 into 8 into 2, 5, 1, 2. So try to write yourself 7 cube. Now 10 cube. So already we know that 9 cube is 7 to 9.
Updates have been applied.
7 to 9. And here it is 1000. So always remember that anyhow you have to remember 1 to 10 cube because it is useful, or it is called perfect cube. So someone asked to you, how many perfect cube numbers are there in 1 to 100? In 1 to 100, how many perfect cube numbers are there? So I have to write 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 3, 1 to 100. So sorry, 1, 8, 27, 64. So 4. And 1 to 1000. In 1 to 1000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 perfect cubes are there. In 1 to 100, there are only 4 perfect cube. So if you have to remember properly 1 to 100 cube, then it is more helpful to you. Again, I am writing it here. Why I am writing it here? Because it is important for us. 125, 216, 343, 512, 729 and 1000. Now you will see that 1 cube is 1 always unit place. So I am writing it here unit place. Now 2 cube is 8. So unit place is 8. 3 cube 27. Unit place is 7. 4 cube 64. So 4. So when unit, if someone asks to you, okay, write the cube of 12. Unit place always come as a 8. 13 cube. Again unit place come as a 7. 14 cube. Again unit place come as a 4. 15 cube. Again unit place come as a 5. 16 cube. Again unit place come as a 6. 17 cube. Again unit place come as a 3. 18 cube. Unit place come as a 2. 19 cube. Unit place come as a 9. And 20 cube. Then unit place come as a 0. So remember that when 2 is there, always 8, so sum is 10. 3 is there, 7, sum is 10. 4 as it is. 5 as it is. 6 as it is. 7 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 9 as it is. I forgot to write 11 cube. So I have to write 1, 3, 3, 1. So 1 cube, 1. 9 cube, 9, 0, 0. So why I am writing this? Because someone may be possible in exercise that unit place of a number. If someone asks to write the unit place of 101 cube number, then unit place is 1. Question is like that, write the unit place. Write the unit place. Unit place of 101 cube is 1. 237 or 23 cube. So what is the here? 3 is there. So when 3 is there, unit place is 7. So I have to write 7 is a unit place. So anyhow 1 to 10 cube and 11 to 20. Here in new table, that is 11 to 20. Compulsory you have to learn it. So again you have to write this in homework 2 times. You have to write this in 2 times. Again we even, so our cubes are even. If you will see here, even is there. We are even, so our cubes are even. We are even, our cubes are even. We are even, our cubes are even. When odd is there, we are odd, So R, we are odd, so R over cube. So here odd, again odd, odd, again odd. So anyhow you have to write 1 to 20 cube 2 times for learning purpose. Now next, find the, again the same question is here, find the ones digit of cube of each of the following. So if I here is 3 3 3 3 1 cube, so unit place is always 1 because here it is 1. When it is 8, unit place is 2. Unit place is 2. Here 1 is unit place. Here 2 is unit place. How I know that 2 is a unit place? Because already we have discussed in first page, when 2 is there, 8. When 8 is there, 2. Now 9. So as it is 9 as it is. So unit place is 9. When 5 is there, 5 as it is. Unit place is 5. Again 3 is there, unit place is 7. Unit place is 7. Again 2 is there, unit place is 8. 7 is there, unit place is 3. So why I am directly give answer of all? Because already we have discussed when 4 as it is 4, 5 as it is 5, 6 as it is 1 as it is 1, and 9 as it is 9. All others are, if 3 is there then write 7, sum of is 10. If 7 is there we have to write 3, 2 is there we have to write 8, 8 is there we have to write 2. That way I am doing it. Here 7 is there, so 3, 2 is there, 8, 3 is there, 7, 2, 4 is there as it is. So try it yourself that I have completed. Now some interesting patterns related with the odd number. Here we are discuss now the interesting pattern related with the odd number. So if you will see, simple logic is there. Sum of odd numbers. Adding consecutive odd number, we can get, see, of adding the consecutive odd number. One odd is a 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 cube. Now if I will add two odd number consecutive, 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 is a cube 2. Now after 5 there is a more 3 consecutive number odd, 9, 7, 9, 11. If we total it is 27, so 3 cube. Now 13, all are odd number, remember it. How many numbers, odd numbers are there? Here 2 odd number is there. Here 2 odd numbers, so 2 cube. Here 1 odd number is 1 cube. Here 2 odd numbers are there, 3 and 5, so 2 cube. Here 3 odd numbers are there, 1, 2, 3. So I have to write 3 cube. 64. So how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 cube. It is 64. How many odd numbers are there? No need to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have to write 5 cube. 5 cube we know that is 125. So this way we can also continue. Is it not interesting how many consecutive odd numbers will be needed to obtain in 10 cube? So someone asked, if I write 10 cube, how many odd numbers are there? Then 10 odd numbers are required. 10 odd numbers are required for 10 cube. Because one odd number required for 1 cube. 2 odd number required for 2 cube. 3 odd number required for 3 cube. 4 odd number required for 4 cube. And they are in consecutive, means in series. So that is sufficient. Express the following as a sum of odd number by using the above pattern. If I want to write 6 cube at here, then which way you have to go? That is important. So already we have completed up to the 5. So you have to go for 6, 7 and 8. Now one new pattern is also here. 2 cube minus 1 cube. That is 2 cube minus 1 cube. So 2 cube is 8 minus 1, that is 7. How we are doing this? 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. So we can get 7. 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. 3 cube minus 2 cube. 3 cube is 27. We are writing it here. 2 cube 8 minus 1. 3 cube 27 minus 8. That is 19. So how I write in it here? 1. Always remember 1 every time. 1 plus 3. Here 3 is there. So 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3. So these are all the pattern that you have to do it yourself. 4 cube minus 3 cube. 4 cube is 64. 3 cube is 27. So 64 minus 27 we have got from here. Now this is the important for prime factor. Compulsory already we have complete this prime factor in square. Same thing prime factor in cube. So all are prime factor here. If you will see 4 cube 64, 2 and 3 to the power 3 to the power 3. These are all the prime number. 2 is a even prime number always. Remember 2 is even prime number. So now 1, 7, we have to start from here. How to make a cube? If you will see 15 is there, so I have to write 1, 3, 3, 7, 5. Now what I have to do? I have to make a prime factor of it. So from where we have to start this? I have to start from here. That is, unit place is 5. And sum is also, if you will see the properly, sum is 18. So it is divided by 3. So 3 ones are, again 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 5s are. If you will check 5, 7, 8 and 9, again we have to divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are. Again I have to do by 10 plus 3. 10, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So it is divided by 3. 3 ones are, here again I have to divide it by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, and 3 5s are. Now it is divided by 5. I have to start 5 because it is not divisible by 3 now. So 5 twos are 10, 5 remain, 5 5s are 25. Again 5, 5, again 5, 5. So how many times? 3, 3, 7, 5 is equal to 3 cube plus multiply by 5 cube. That is why they are writing 3 cube, and it is called prime factor. That you have to know anyhow. So here 216 prime factor is there. So you can write, you will remember that a the power m multiplied by b the power m is equal to a multiplied by b the power m. So now sometime question is 729 is a perfect cube? So we can say yes, because we have to write the triplet of it. 3 times it must be. If you will see properly, here we are doing the sum. Here 3 times is there. 3 is also 3 times. 5 is also 3 times. That is why we can say it's a perfect cube. So now one question is there, 500. Check whether 500 is there or not. So what I have to do? I have to write 500 first. Start prime factor of it from 2. I have to write 250. Again from 2. I have to write 125. Again 5, 25, again 5, 5, again 5, 1. So how many times I am writing 5 the power 3 and 2 the power 2. So only 1 power it requires. So we cannot say it is a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. Why? Because 5 is 3 times, but 2 is not 3 times. So it's a weather checking example number 1. Check whether it is perfect cube or not. So for checking purpose, what you have to do, anyhow you have to make a triplet. 3 times it must be. 3 times all prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, maybe. So followings are perfect cube or not, that you have to check it. So try to do in your homework. That you have to do in homework. Now we go from exercise number 1. Afterward, these are example we have to See. So now in exercise 1 there are only 4 sums are there. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cube? So first of all I have to write 216. Make a prime factor of it. So here it is divided by, we can do it. Again we have to do. So we can say yes it is. Why? Because in this here 2 the power 3 and 3 the power 3. So 216 is equal to 2 the power 3 and 3 the power 3. So we can say yes because it is a triplet. But in 128 it is not possible. So we have to write no. What you have to do? You have to do it by same way. You have to make a prime factor of and then you have to say. Here 1000 we have to say yes. It's a cube of 10. 100 we can say no. So this way you have to first complete 1 to 20 cube. You have to write 2 times. Try it yourself. You have to do it in your rough book and in exercise 7.1 question number 1 that you have to do in your homework. So it is sufficient. In next lecture we complete this exercise and then we go for again next. So this is sufficient. Now we stop this.